What are ear seeds and how do I use them? So ear seeds are simply just a little ball on the back of a sticker that you put on your ear. But the way that you use them is because in Chinese medicine, the body is interrelated. So they imagine that the body fit right into the ear like this. So you can see the little head down there, the spine coming around, and then the internal organs are in there. So you can use different parts of your ear to stimulate and improve health in other aspects. So this is a little bit more of an in-depth version. So if you come have a look at this one. So you got the eye down here, the spine, shoulders, elbow, coming down into here, hip, knees, ankles, toes. And then we've got the Chinese medicine version of the organs in here. Your lung, spleen, liver, bladder, all those good things. So the idea is quite simple. You get one of these little stickers like that, and then you select the corresponding part of the ear that you'd like help with, and then you just peel the sticker off like so, and then you place it on the spot. So I'm going to put this one right on the abdomen. So if you've got a sore stomach, you should be able to find a nice tender spot in around about that region, add the sticker, and what it does is it continues to stimulate that region for you throughout the day. So a lot of people will use ear seeds particularly for sleep. So we've actually gone and made like a simplified version to improve sleep, try and improve your immunity. So in Chinese medicine, that's linked to the lung, and you can see on this bigger one here, right in there, there's the lung there. So you put the sticker in that area. Digestion, once again, right in the middle here. Detox is kind of in stimulating the Chinese medicine version of the liver. So it's looking to clear everything out. So you can see that one in there. Stress and anxiety is quite an interesting one. So that falls into this spot here, Shen Men. So in Chinese medicine, the way that Shen Men tries to work is we talk about it calming the spirit. So the spirit's a little bit different to, just the mind and just the emotions. It's kind of a combination of the two. It's like feeling settled and centered in yourself. So Shen Men is used to calm the spirit. So it can be used to help stress, it can be used to help anxiety. Sometimes people will even use it to help with sleep and things like that, depending on how their sleep is affected. So if they're waking up feeling quite anxious and they're unable to settle their mind, Shen Men can be quite useful to help with that. And then we've got the relaxation point just through here. So that relaxation point, according to Chinese medicine, is linked to the sympathetic nervous system. So that's the idea of getting your body out of fight or flight so it can go into rest and digest and help the body relax. So in a nutshell, the way that you want to think about ear seeds is you think about the entire body being mapped onto the ear. You feel through the ear, find the corresponding part that you would like help with. So for example, if you've got a sore shoulder, elbow, wrist, or coming down into the knee, and typically you'll find a little bit of a tender spot. If you check each ear, one ear might be a little bit more sensitive to the other than the other, and then you get one of these little ear seeds, you put it in there, and that stimulates that area throughout the day. These stickers last for like 3 to 5 days. Obviously, if you get a little bit itchy or anything like that, like take them off. You can also, if you see an acupuncturist, they might actually even add a needle into those areas. So you massage it yourself throughout the day. It continues to kind of stimulate that area so you feel better. The reason why we've chosen these kind of 6 simplified version is because these are the 6 kind of main spots that people use to kind of cover most of the things. But as you can see, you can even use it for a tight jaw. You can help your tongue, occiput, and then coming around the edges as well. Pretty much the whole body fits into there. If you have any questions, please comment below and I'll do my best to answer them all. But hope that helps.